Good morning, students. Today we'll go through chapter number 2, Life of Challenge. Before starting the chapter, I would like to brief you about the story in this chapter. It is the story of a woman, Helen Keller, who became famous by overcoming her disability with the help of a teacher in the early age. Now I'll read the chapter for you. Listen it carefully. Chapter number 2, Life of Challenge. First we'll see the description part. Helen Keller was an American educator, advocate for the blind and deaf, and co-founder of the ACLU, that means the American Civil Liberty Union. Helen Keller lost her sight and hearing ability when she was only 19 months old. With the help of her teacher, Annie Sullivan, she learned to read and speak. Now we'll come to the story. It was the summer of 1880. A healthy baby girl was born in a small town in Alabama. Her parents loved her dearly and named her Helen. But one day, the baby became ill, and day after day, her fever stayed high. The doctor didn't know what it was, so he called it a congestion of stomach and brain. Everyone in the family tried to help her to get better. But all they could say was, "There is nothing more we can do. The baby may not live." Helen lived, but she was not the same after her illness. "Something is wrong," her mother said. At last they found out what was wrong. The child could not see and hear. Now, have you understood what I have read? I'll explain in briefly. It's a story about a little baby who was born in 1880. Her name was Helen. One day she became very much ill and it was not been cured. Even doctors raised their hand. Everyone in the family also tried a lot to get the baby cured, but they also said that nothing can be done. The baby will not live, they also said. But Helen lived, means she was alive, but after her cure of illness, there was something wrong her mother found. What she found? That the child could not see or hear. Is it clear now? Now coming to the next page, the baby grew into a little girl. Her parents felt sorry for her. Helen often cried and held on to her mother. "Maybe you should give the poor child what she wants," her father would say. The little girl Helen was growing up day by day, but her parents were very sad about her because she used to often cry, and his parents were not able to understand what she wants. Though Helen could not hear or see, she was a bright little girl. Some people thought Helen could not learn anything. "Why don't you send her away somewhere?" they said. As Helen could not see or hear, but she was a bright little girl. But people around Helen would say bad about her. They say to send her away somewhere or she will not learn anything. And the parents felt very bad to hear all this. And her mother did not agree to them. She simply said thanks. "But Helen is very smart," she said and added. "The problem is, how can we reach her? She is locked up inside herself." Her mother said, "We have to reach to her problem because she is locked from inside, because they were not able to understand what she wants. And she herself was not knowing because of she was blind and she could not hear." Day by day she was growing wild. She began to grow wild. She would not let anyone comb her hair. Her clothes were always dirty. She was often angry. Sometimes she even lay on the floor and kicked her feet. Day by day, Helen's behavior was getting wild. She was not knowing what she was doing. She will not let anyone to comb her hair. Her clothes were always dirty. She gets angry anytime, and even she lay on the floor and kick her feet. She doesn't know what she is doing. Her parents thought they should find a teacher for her. And her parents thought of a teacher who can guide Helen very well. Mrs. Annie Sullivan, Miss Annie Sullivan, a young teacher, agreed to help Helen to learn to see the world. Miss Annie Sullivan gave Helen a doll. Who is the teacher over here? Annie Sullivan. What she agreed for? She agreed to help Helen to learn to see the world. Miss Annie Sullivan gave Helen a doll. D-O-L-L spells doll. Miss Annie spelled the word with her fingers into Helen's hand. What did Miss Annie do? She spelled a word with her fingers in Helen's hand and wrote, what did she write with the help of her finger? D-O-L-L. What does it mean? Doll. She made the letters with special hand signs. She gave a sign to that letters so that Helen could understand. Helen copied her teacher and spelled D-O-L-L too. But she did not understand what she was doing. She did not know that she was spelling a word or even just a word exist. And even that word existed. Helen did the same thing what her ma'am taught, but she was not able to understand what she was doing, whether she was spelling a word or the word really existed or not. कि ऐसा कोई वर्ड है भी कि नहीं, या कि किसी वर्ड को वो स्पेल आउट कर रही है. What her teacher taught. She just did the same thing what her teacher did. Understood? Now, coming to the third page. Helen liked Miss Annie. She was strict but kind. In the day that followed, Helen learned to spell. In this way, a great many words, among them were pen, hat, cup, and a few verbs like sit, stand, and walk. But her teacher had several weeks before she understood that everything had a name. How did Miss Annie help Helen? Helen liked her teacher as the days go on. Her teacher was strict but she was kind. As the days followed, मतलब जैसे जैसे दिन आगे बढ़ते जा रहे थे, Helen learned to spell the words. Helen ने क्या सीखा? She started spelling some words. And she learned many words like pin, hat, cup, sit, stand, walk. It took several weeks. Miss Helen understood everything by their name. She started understanding everything with the names. One day, her teacher made Helen put her hand into the running water. Then she spelled W-A-T-E-R. Suddenly, Helen understood that W-A-T-R meant something wet running over her hand. One day, what did her teacher do? Teacher made Helen to put her hand in the running water. पानी बहते हुए पानी में हेलेन की टीचर ने क्या किया? हेलेन का हाथ डाला. And she spelled W-A-T-E-R. और उस पानी में उसने W-A-T-E-R लिखा, बोला. Suddenly, Helen understood that W-A-T-R meant something wet. तो हेलन को समझ में आया कि W-A-T-R मतलब कुछ गीला सा जो उसके हाथ के ऊपर से बह रहा था. She understood that word were most important thing in the world. और उसने ऐसे बहुत सारे वर्ड सीखे जो चीज़ वर्ल्ड में इम्पॉर्टेंट है. Got it all of you? Words tells everything. Words tell her everything she wanted to know. Helen learned 30 words that day. On that day, how many words she learned? 30 words. Mother, father, sister, teacher were among them. Words that were to make the word blossom for her. ऐसे वर्ड्स उसने सीखे जो उसको खुशी दे. It would have been difficult to find a happier child than Helen as she lay in her bed at the close of that eventful day. Her parents find her happy on that day because she has learned many more new words. She thought about the joys it had brought her for the first time, longed for a new day to come. She was very happy for herself because she knew that she has came across many new words which she has known. She was happy for the day and she was waiting for the another day to come. By the end of August, in 6 short months, Helen knew 625 words. And by the end of August, in 6 short months means उसने 6 महीने में कितने वर्ड्स सीखे हेलन ने? She learned 625 words. By the time she was 16, what was the age of Helen? She was 16. Helen could speak well enough to go to college. हेलन अच्छे से बोलने लग गई थी कि वो कॉलेज जा सके. Helen Keller, a little girl, became one of history's most famous women. From there on, Helen की जर्नी शुरू हुई and she became a famous woman in the history. She traveled around the world, speaking in more than 25 countries in the 5 major continents. Wherever she went, she brought new courage to millions of people. By her speech, she encouraged many people like her to outcome from their disability and achieve many more things for their growth. Have you understood what I have read and explained? I hope that chapter is clear to you. Thank you all.